Across South Africa, the coronavirus has not just confined people to their homes, but also disrupted in a big way the supply of the antiretroviral drugs, which are the main drugs for the treatment of HIV. Take a look at this report.
The pandemic hit the supply of ARV drugs to over 24 million people across Africa, endangering their lives. The deadly virus and the lockdown that followed stopped the factories from producing this essential drug. As a result, millions of South African people are now at great risk. And not just because of COVID-19.
For 2 months, I was using only one that I was supposed to use two. And if I don't use both of them, it's a big risk. And I can get sick.
Studies in South Africa have shown that HIV patients who contract COVID-19 are twice as likely to get seriously ill, and it can prove to be fatal for them. South Africa has 7.7 million HIV-positive people, the largest in the world. And out of those, 62% of the HIV-positive people rely on ARV drug.
Issues within the supply line, people not being able to get ARVs. We are anticipating, and we're very concerned that we are going to see more people being sick with opportunistic infections. In South Africa, we worry in particular around TB, as we have high levels of TB in our country as well.
This 6-month halt of the production of the ARV drug alone could lead to 500,000 additional AIDS-related deaths, as per a study by the UN AIDS. The coronavirus has heightened the paranoia among HIV-positive people, stopping them from going to crowded clinics over fears of contracting the coronavirus. North Star Alliance hired nurses during the pandemic to visit communities and go door to door to make sure that HIV patients got their ARVs. Nurse Siduna, one of those hired by the Alliance, continues to raise awareness, explains to patients how they can reduce the risk of getting infected, even handing out hand sanitizers and masks. Bureau Report, WION World is One.